Hi guys, today we're gonna do pancakes for my first video of pancakes. But let's start. First I'm gonna do the heart. I love the heart. Get it in. You have to make it more thicker because my mom made it not thick. My mom doesn't know how to cook much. I think I'm gonna be done with that. And also I'm gonna do another one on the side. Key. Beautiful. Do dot. And just let it cook. Well, I'm gonna do more. A black dot. So we're gonna color in. Key. Now this orange. Oh, I cooked the egg! Just grab this and then I flip it. Is that how you do it? Is that how you do a flip? Okay. I'm gonna put this egg here. I'm gonna click it. Just little eyes. Now this big one. Ooh, yummy. Let me grab the other ones. Okay. These ones are so hard. Okay. Now let's do something else. Now let me do a flower. Flower powder, flower powder. The flower. It's gonna be a circle flower. I'm doing this pancake flower for my mom. And I'm gonna do a football one for my dad. Okay. I love that flower. I like it. There we go. Now let's draw my mom. This looks like nothing like my mom. Oh my gosh, this is Let me see if it's cooked already. Can I try it? I love it. Let's do more. If I add too much, I'm gonna be so mad at myself. Okay. Let's go. I do not want to do it just like the flower. It's a crazy one by now. It's so funny, like, yo, this looks like an egg cracking on top of a heart, and then it's turning to eggs part. I just let it cook. Let it go. There it is. It looks so cool. It looked so cool when I saw it. Look. It's looking so cool. See? It's looking so cool. Let's grab the heart. Can we just grab the heart? Now put it. I'm going to do a rainbow. Red, orange, red, orange. Let me move this away. I think that egg is already cooked. Okay. I made a rainbow. Let me see if that part's cooked. Let me see if that egg's cooked. Yep, it is. It's just a purple thing. It's rainbow. Now just let that cook. Rainbow, please don't escape. I'm telling you, not to escape from me. Do dots. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. Okay, that's gonna be the face. But the one beside it, you can see the yellow part. It's so cute. And then we're gonna do that. Okay, comment down which pancake you like. Okay guys, I made a lot of pancakes. I don't know how much I made, but I'm gonna share with my family. So